Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super helpful video today for any of you trying to find where the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to 2017. MAF sensor right here, guys. We will explain where you can find these fuses. Do not buy new sensor until you watch that video, guys. And by the way, if you want to see how to test MAF sensor, we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you how to test MAF sensor on a car. Guys, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. The MAF sensor, fuses and relays, come guys, and we will show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox here. Guys, to save you money, quick advice from us. There will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that most owners, 9 out of 10 owners, probably do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. Open the hood now. Facing the engine here on the right side, that's the driver's side. You see the brake fluid reservoir is here. On the right side is the main engine fuse box. You have one tab with 2 clips that you need to press here, one on this side. Lift the cover up and underneath you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, today we will need to check multiple fuses, relays, because all of these are for engine management. There is very limited information exactly what they're for, but fuel injection system and engine management fuses will need to be checked. One of those will correspond to the component that we're looking for today, and we're starting today with fuse number 20 right here. Check that fuse, guys, fuse number 20. Then we need to check fuse number 21 right here, check that one. Then we're going to go to fuse 37 and 38, very important fuses right here. Next we need to locate fuse number 41 right there. 42 next to it needs to be checked as well. 52 right here. 53, the one that's underneath the relay, that 10M fuse. Okay, you can see where it's located. We're talking about fuse number 46 right there, and relay 66 is very important too right here, guys. All of these will need to be checked. They're for engine management and fuel injection systems, so all of these fuses will need to be checked if you have that problem. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.